Elon Musk wants to cut 10% of 10% of Tesla jobs. That's right. I heard about this. He did not elaborate on the reasons for his super bad feeling. He put out a tweet saying he had a super bad feeling about the U.S. economy, saying that he's got to cut 10% of jobs. Protect the company. I guess that's probably the messaging, at least. Who knows about the full breadth of the reasons why. I think Biden responded because he was saying everything's fine, as you would do as a president addressing the economy.
Yeah.
You might not, as a president, you might not say you have a super bad feeling about the economy.
Yeah. I think that incites some panic.
I'm just saying, as a president, you might not do that. Ever since Will rearranged my headphone, it keeps getting stuck now. Keep getting stuck in the back of this chair. I think it's sabotage for looking at him for too long.
Yeah.
He's like, I'll show him.
Just minor inconvenience.
Yeah, that's the best type of sabotage.
Right.
Because every time he sees me fiddle with it, he gets a little surge of joy. He's like, look at him. Look at him over there. Look at him. What a loser. That's in his mind.
Right. So aggressive.
Idiot. What an idiot. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has a super bad feeling about the economy and needs to cut about 10% of salaried staff at the electric car maker. He said in emails seen by Reuters. Message sent to executives on Thursday laid out his concerns and told them to pause all hiring worldwide. They're not alone, by the way. A lot of companies are in this boat at the moment. The dire outlook came 2 days after the billionaire told staff to return to the workplace or leave, and adds to a growing chorus of warnings from business leaders about the risks of recession. I mean, that's what I'm trying to say. A lot of concerns are out there outside of Tesla as well.
But who's leaking all these emails from them?
Well, I don't know. Well, I can't speak to that, but I assume there's plenty of people capable of doing it.
Yeah,
it's a big company. Shout out Evan. But it is interesting that it went from the one thing about people working from home and just leaving if that's what they want to do to actually laying people off. Maybe he was hoping that the slackers would just leave on their own. So there was no announcement necessary. He's like, perfect.
Well, it's actually, he's targeting salary employees. He's not targeting hourly workers.
Right, but those would be the people working from home. They're the same group.
Oh, right. Yeah, I guess you're right. You're definitely right about that.
Same group. Note, here's another quote. Note, this does not apply to anyone actually building cars, battery packs, or installing solar.
Yeah.
He's like, you guys,
calm down.
You're doing work. I see the work. The rest of you, I'm not sure what you're up to. It's a lot of emails and stuff.
Right.
That's it feels like what he's saying. But anyway. Yeah. What can you say? I don't know. A lot of companies are stopping or slowing hiring.
Yeah.
Or letting people go.
But people really freaked out about this because, I mean, the Tesla company is a growth company. I mean, what type of growth is laying people off? Yeah,
but I saw Snap said something similar recently.
Right.
I don't know.
Would Snap be still considered a growth company? I'm not sure.
I don't know.
What's its PE? You hear that? I said PE.
All of a sudden. Whipping that ass.
I don't know.
Are they endangered because they don't have one?
Yeah, they don't have one, actually. They're going, whoa, man, their stock has...
Yeah.
Max, you've lost money on this stock. Damn. But anyways, Tesla's, I think, a different example.
Go ahead. Let's see Tesla so Mo can sting a little bit because we all know where he got in.
They're up a little bit.
Yeah, but I also bought again at a lower point.
Give us more.
So...
What is this? Bragging now? Flexing? I also like to buy at the lower point.
No. You
Sometimes
know how I do it. Buy high.
Yeah, buy high, sell low. You got to own it. That's Mo's strategy for investing and entertainment.
There we go.
And unlimited entertainment. Buy high, sell low. Riveting stuff, watching your money evaporate.
Man, look at that cliff.
That's the YTD. You were in at $1,000. Just give the people an update.
Yeah. I mean, there's my update.
You were in at $1,000?
Yeah.
$1,000 flat?
I actually should go back and check what I bought it at.
Yeah, I was a little over $1,000. I just checked.
You did for me?
Yeah, I just checked recently. A little over $1,000. Okay.
Man.
Yeah, well, you got to do what you got to do, right?